getting a bunch of leaves all of a sudden. Look at that. So we're here in extreme eastern Dutchess County on Route 44, heading towards Connecticut. Not quite there yet. There appears to be at least one thunderstorm, severe thunderstorm, just to our north. It's kind of hard to tell with all these trees, but some very ominous looking clouds, and every now and then we've been getting a burst of wind and a bunch of leaves have come down. No rain yet, nothing else. So took a wrong turn, not on 44 going towards Connecticut, but I'm going back into that direction. Definitely some awesome clouds just to the north and west, and we're going to be seeing something pretty impressive here, I think, in a few minutes, if not sooner. Definitely leaves and gusty wind. Yeah, I don't know if you can see this. I can't zoom. Oh, can I zoom with this? But the visibility is actually decreased because of, it looks like leaves and debris starting to, yeah, this is going to be pretty bad. 7:13 in eastern Dutchess County. Definitely driving into a severe thunderstorm. As we head back towards Connecticut. Let's see, we have a town line here. We're in North Canaan now on 44. Really only felt the fringe effects of the storm, aside from the hail back in New York.